The seventh round of the Iran nuclear talks concluded in Vienna on Friday. The latest round, which began on November 29, brought together the representatives of China, France, Germany, Russia, the UK and Iran under the chairmanship of the Deputy Secretary-General of the European External Action Service. The aim of the talks is to resume the implementation of the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, also referred to as the 2015 nuclear deal.
We end today the seventh round. We have been doing three things. First, we have incorporated to our work the new Iranian delegation. Second, we have discussed in-depth, a really in-depth discussion about the political positions, the new political sensitivities of the new administration in Tehran. And finally, we have done the practical work. We have incorporated the most relevant elements of these new Iranian positions, that the new administration in Tehran, to the documents that will still wear on.
This is an important and productive round. In the process, China has played a very constructive role. We can see that despite of ups and downs in the process, dialogue and cooperation is the only way.
The next round of negotiations is scheduled to start before the end of this year.